Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Wells Fargo's bank account. Wells Fargo and Company is an American multinational finance service company with corporate headquarters in San Francisco, California. It is an excellent bank for those who look for local branch, exit, and digital marketing service. So to log into your bank account, first we need to go to a web browser. I'm using Google, and in the search bar type in wellsfargo.com. Now you have entered the website of the bank. Now you can see on the left there is a sign-in box. Place your username and your password. Make sure the username and password are valid. And in case you forgot your username or password, then click on Forgot Username or Password. Or if you haven't signed into the account, click on Enroll. It will open up a registration form. Fill up the form to sign in. After placing in your valid username and password, click on Sign On to log in. So this is the process to log into your bank account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do leave a like in this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest upload. We will be posting similar kind of content, so stay tuned. Thank you.